Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the USB rubber ducky. Before we start, I want to emphasize that this video is for educational purposes only. We're going to talk about what it is, how it works, and how to use it responsibly. The potential for misuse is significant, and I strongly encourage ethical use. So, what is a USB rubber ducky? It looks like a regular USB drive, but when plugged into a computer, it acts like a keyboard. It's a programmable keyboard that can execute pre-written commands quickly. It's a tiny, automated hacker. It's designed to automate tasks, and in the wrong hands, it can be used for malicious purposes, but we'll focus on the harmless side. Now, the parts. We'll be using a DigiSpark board. This is an Arduino-compatible development board, and it's perfect. You can get these online pretty cheaply. You'll also need a USB cable to connect it, and a computer to program it. You'll also need an operating system. Next, let's set up the Arduino IDE. Make sure you have the DigiSpark board selected. If you're using Windows, you may need to install drivers. Let's start with a simple script. Let's make the mouse move randomly. It is important to know how the code works. Here's a script example that'll move the mouse. Randomly include the DigiSpark mouse library. Then, within the setup function, you initialize the mouse. In the loop, generate random X and Y coordinates and move the mouse to those coordinates using DigiSpark mouse. Move. The delay function controls how quickly the mouse moves. This is a basic example. Once you've written your script, upload it to the DigiSpark board. Using the Arduino IDE, remember, you'll need to plug the board into your computer when it prompts you to. After the upload, unplug the DigiSpark, and now it's ready. Plug the rubber ducky into another computer, and watch. As a final example, let's look at another script. We can make the rubber ducky type a funny message. For this, we'll use keyboard. Right, this function simulates key presses. Here's a basic script that will type, "Hello, I am a rubber ducky." You'll include the keyboard library. Set a delay and use keyboard. Print to write the message. Compile and upload your script. Now, responsible use. The USB rubber ducky is a powerful tool, but use it ethically. Never use it without permission. Only use it on your own devices or with consent. Always be transparent about what you're doing. Remember, this is about learning, not causing harm. Use the rubber ducky for educational purposes only. In conclusion, the USB rubber ducky is a fascinating tool that can automate tasks by acting as a keyboard. Today, we've covered the basics. Always remember to use it responsibly, ethically, and legally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.